What is up, guys and gals? Back at it again this week. Some new taillights in and some bulbs. We went with LED bulbs. I think I got the taillights for like 48 bucks off Amazon, and I think the bulbs were like $16 or $17. Try these. See that part number there. Now I'm gonna have to get some new of these things. Look how bad that is. Corroded. Like that grease. I think that's that fucking grease that they tell you to put on there, but that shit dries, man. It's fucking caked up like hell. What is up, YouTube? It has been a hot minute since I did a video. I'm so sorry, I've been sick, holidays, all that stuff. No excuses though, right? Anyway, today, back on the OBS, we are going to be, hopefully you guys can hear me. It's raining and my shop is metal, so hopefully you guys can hear me pretty good. Today we're back on the OBS. So the kit we got is control arms, springs up front, and then in the rear we've got a flip kit and a C-nut. So the truck is already lowered some. We already know that from other videos. We are going to have to do away with everything up front and start over. So we needed factory spindles. Little bit of a story, try not to get too involved in this, but I went on Facebook Marketplace, and I got to talking with people. Hey, I need some spindles for 96, factory spindles, da 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 da. Oh yeah, I got them. Well, I got to thinking, The shout out to KJ, Cool Cars KJ. He was, me and him were talking, and he was telling me that the later models had the thicker rotors. So I was like, I don't want to get somebody on Facebook, they got an 88 or 90 or something, and the spindle, they're like, oh yeah, they'll work, whatever, you know. Yeah, they're the right ones. And then I get them, and I get the truck all torn apart, and it's not what I need. So I figured the best situation would either me being able to look at a VIN number or trust in a junkyard. So I went with the junkyard method, got some spindles for 96, and they have I think a 45-day, I think she told me, warranty. Certain circumstances, obviously. But so we got some spindles, and this is what we got here behind me, as you can see. Let me take you off this tripod. We've got the whole shebang. We've got the spindles, the rotors, and calipers. Obviously, we're not going to use anything but the spindles. So today, we're going to get these broke down, get them off, and make sure they're not bent, or, you know, the spindle isn't bent on it, nothing's damaged, nothing's tweaked for the tie rod or anything like that. So let's get started taking these things apart. Are you ready for your exam, YouTube? Show you guys a little trick on the truck or off the truck. This will work. If you can get your pliers in the oh, focus, you fucking bastard. See how the one side of the pliers was in there? You can get that one side in there. You should be able to just twist it. Well, sometimes it works. Oh, there you go. There. Oh shit, I'm doing this all backwards, aren't I? Y'all know. Oh, like, hey, dumbass, you're doing that wrong. I know you guys were telling me that. size these are. So I'm going to get to those in just a minute. I'm going to take this other side off. And I'm going to loosen these first. I'm going to loosen these first because that would have been the smart thing to do the first time. These are 14s, I think. Oh yeah. I'm an idiot. Y'all like that, perverts? Let's get everything, we'll get this table cleaned up and all. We'll be right back. Okay guys, we're just cleaning these things up. As you can see, they're going to look good. We're going to clean them up a little bit more, but clean these things up. Got them all taken apart. We're going to clean them up some more and get some black spray paint on them. So, I mean, really, these things were, they were $80 for the pair. And they're good to go pretty much. Once we get ready and get to put them on the truck, you know, they'll look great. Thank you for watching. I don't know what else will be in this video, honestly, but thank you for watching. Thank you guys for coming back, watching my videos, and leave me a like, comment. But you guys tell me what you've had to get from the salvage yard. Maybe you got a truck or a car that has some interior, somebody did something stupid with the interior or suspension or under the hood or whatever, parts missing. What have you guys had to get from the salvage yard? Okay guys, what's going on? I had a question from a Uriel Marquez, I think. I'm saying that right? About how the seats were bolted in the OBS. So let me show you guys how they were done, and this is on the passenger side. Okay, so it looks like they used the factory, I'm assuming the factory bench seat bracket there, and then same on the inside. Looks like they just used the bench seat brackets. And then that's the driver's side. Looks like they used some maybe 1.5 by 1.5 square tubing. Just welded it onto the seat bracket itself, and then just made a support with the same, utilizing the same type of thing back here. This is on the driver's side. Oddly enough, even though there are two different brackets, the seats are about the same height across. They're not really that bad. This one being a little bit higher, the driver's being a little bit higher. Again, show you how that is bolted in there. So yeah, just a custom made bracket, it looks like, on the driver's side, and then they just took the bench seat brackets for the factory bench and made them work on the passenger side. Hopefully that helps. If you've got any more questions or want to see anything else, just let me know.